guys, hello everybody, my name is Leah and welcome to my first YouTube channel. Me and Tiger Shark are going to go on the GX Race Track and do a stunt. Right, Tiger Shark? Oh yeah, let's go! I'm going to see how this performs on the ramp. Let's go.
Woo!
Go! Let's see. Are you kidding me? Right!
Let's see how he goes on the ramp.
Hello, my name's Tiger.
See if it goes all the way up.
Yes, together.
Oh,
Oh my god.
nearly.
Yes! You can take it down. Yes.
Get him to do a stunt.
No, not that one.
Abdomen.
Yeah.
Abdomen.
You get to do a donut again? That was cool. Wow. Can you get it spin?
Yes, it's not on that. Okay, I'll just bring you up instead. Come on, Mama.
Come in. So put it down there.
There we go.
Woo. Get him back on the path. Get him to do a trick. Show him how you do the trick. Ah. Whoa, dude. Come on in.
Wait. A shoelace. A shoelace, wait. Don't jump somebody there.
Is he going to get up there?
Don't tell me, right?
Do some tricks with it.
Let's chase it. Hello! Hey, Dad. Mommy.
Ah!
Tiger Shark. No.
Leo, see if you can get him to go all the way up that ramp. Go. Come on, keep going. Don't let go. Keep going. Can't you can do it, Tiger Shark. You can do it. Oh, come on, dude. Oh.
He landed. Hey, mate.
What's your brother doing?
What's up? Wait for me.
Wow, that was so cool.
Wait for me.
Ah! Get him to wave. Get him to do that wave thing. Go through his legs.
You are now about to witness the strength of You are now about to witness the strength of You are now about to witness the strength of You are now about to witness
Thank you for watching my first video in Hunter Life. And it's Hotwheels! Hotwheels!
What do you
Number
rate?
2.
What do you rate Tiger Shark out of 10?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Hey, what's up, Tiggy? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.